entire intro and it was not recording. Oh my god. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nicole and I film lots of different plus size content, lots and lots of hauls. I feel like that's mainly what I've been doing lately. I'll show you guys kind of what's out there, what it looks like on an actual body. But I've also done like family style vlogs in the past and stuff like that. So if any of that sounds of interest to you, don't forget to subscribe. I also post on Instagram pretty regularly. I would say more regularly than this. It's a mix of fashion and just my life, my family, my friends. So if you guys want to follow me there, that will be linked below as well. Today's haul I feel like is a lot of good spring pieces. I just feel like the overall color palette of this haul screams spring. It is so beautiful. We do have some pops of color. We have some pastels, some prints, and a few pieces that are like crocheted to die for. Literally chef's kiss. So I'm excited to show you guys what I got. Don't forget, everything will always be linked down below. And I think that is it. Let's get into this haul. You know what? We're gonna start off with what I'm wearing now. This was the last piece that I tried on and I just didn't take it off. So here we are. This is a pink, like really bright pink sweater. It is like a knitted sweater. It kind of has a distressed like acid wash type of a look to it. And it is distressed around the arms, the neckline, and the bottom. I actually have this exact sweater in gray. I hauled it a while back, probably months back, and I love that sweater. I wore it to death. So here we are, springtime pink. Loving it. I picked this sweater up in a 3X and the fit was perfect and it is stretchy. Next up, I picked up this adorable crocheted tank with scalloped edges. Be so for real. It is a white and a black. It is so beautiful. It does have buttons going up the front, and I would say this top is a little bit more cropped. It's not like crazy cropped, but it is more of a cropped tank. But I freaking love this. I honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not somebody that usually wears sleeveless things, but this, we're making an exception because I truly cannot get over how cute it is. I just love it. I picked this one up in a 3X and it is stretchy. Next up, we're going with another crocheted piece, and this is a crocheted cardigan. I know what you're thinking, cardigan, the weather's getting a little warmer, I guess depending on where you live. But, I mean, because it's crocheted, you can feel the breeze right through it. But look how cute this is. I've always wanted a, like, crocheted piece like this with this design. I just think it's so, so pretty. This one also has this stripe detailing on the sleeves. I love this one a lot. I can't wait to wear it. I think I'm actually gonna wear it probably next week, maybe to work. I'll find a way to dress it and make it, you know, school appropriate, but love this one. Picked it up in a 3X and I thought the fit was perfect and it is stretchy. Next, I got this really pretty, like almost mint colored blazer. And I love Fashion Nova's blazers because they're stretchy. Like every single blazer I've ever gotten from them has been stretchy, and it's always lined with this really nice like silk material that's also stretchy, which is great. But this is just your basic blazer. Throw it on over anything, honestly, and you'll be looking so professional. Can't wait to rock this one as well. Picked it up in a 3X and it is stretchy. This next top I love. I love the feel of it. It's like a really soft, silky material. And this is the print. I really like the print a lot as well. They're like palm trees, and it's a white and blue color. This one I showed two different ways, just on normally, and then I rolled up the sleeves on each side and tucked in the front, and I thought it was super cute. I kind of liked it that way better. But it's just your basic like button up, like silky like women's button up. I really love this one a lot as well, and I will definitely be rocking this one at work. All right, next up, I think this is the last crocheted item, but I got this brown crocheted, I guess, button up top, like polo. Does have a collar, has a pocket in the front, and it's just this really pretty chocolate brown color. I like this one a lot too. I definitely think like if, for me, for example, I might be wearing this one to work. Definitely wear a cami under it because I don't want to wear a see-through top to work, obviously. Got this one in a 3X and I thought the fit was freaking perfect and it is very stretchy. All right, let's get into a few dresses. So this first one, I love it a lot. I think the cut is a little bit low and I was not wearing the correct bra, so keep that in mind when you see the try on portion. I need to go get new bras badly. I have 2 bras to my name. They're the exact same, but one is beige and one is black. And they're like more of a full coverage bra. So I need one where if I wear something a little lower like this, you're not gonna be able to see it. But it's just this super deep V-neck beige, really flowy dress. So pretty, very like boho. The back is also very low. So I think I showed you in the try on portion, I can't remember, but you could see the entire bra strap. So this might be one where you wear like, what are those? Not cakes, but like, you know those sticky bras that literally you don't have anything showing in the back? This might be a situation where you wear that, but I picked this dress up in a 3X. It is double lined, I would say, from under the chest down. So it has a bit of weight to it and you don't have to worry about it being see-through. Not stretchy material, picked it up in a 3X, thought it fit perfectly. Okay, this dress was one of my favorites from the haul. It's just this neutral gingham print dress. The top has elastic and an adjustable spaghetti strap. I just think this is so pretty. I love the length of it. It's more of like a midi dress. It hit me mid-shin and it's just kind of basic, but like in the cutest way possible. This is another one where I think I'm gonna have to make an exception with the no sleeveless items because this is just absolutely adorable. I picked it up in a 3X and this top part is stretchy, but the rest of the material is not. All right, another dress is this beautiful baby blue one. I'm telling you guys, the colors in this haul, I just love. It's just so pretty, like between the colors and the prints, I just live for it. This is a full-length baby blue dress with elastic around the chest. This one has some flowy sleeves. I honestly foresee this one, like, I feel like this would be the perfect dress for like a baby shower if you're having a boy or a girl. I mean, who cares? But I just love the shade of this. It's just so pretty. It's a baby blue, but it's not like an annoying baby blue. It's almost like slightly muted. But love this one a lot. Picked it up in a 3X and just the chest is elastic. I picked up this jumpsuit and unfortunately it was a little bit too tight for me, but I still tried it on to show you guys because it did still like go on my body, but you'll definitely see like the hip area, way too tight. The problem is the bottom half of the jumpsuit, so the pants are not stretchy, so that could be the issue. But it's just black and white striped pants with a black like ribbed stretchy tank top on the top. And it is so cute. I'm not even typically someone that wears stuff like this, but after I put it on, I was like, oh, if this fit, I would definitely wear it. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. Something so easy just to throw on and go out the door. But unfortunately it just didn't fit correctly, but it does have pockets, which is nice. Picked it up in a 3X and the top half is stretchy. The bottom half is not. All right, another dress. This is another beautiful print. It's giving coastal. It's giving Greece or Italy. It's just beautiful. I love this shade of blue and white. It's just so pretty and I love it. So this is a little bit more of a wrap dress. It does tie over off to the side. It has a collar and I just think overall it's so pretty. Cannot wait to rock this one. Got it in a 3X. The material is not stretchy, but it does have a small elastic waistband, so love it. Okay, this is the last dress. Yes, this is the last dress. I think it's so pretty. This color, this like sagey green with the mini floral print. Love that a lot. This is what the dress looks like. It does have buttons going up the front, but it's also covered by a piece of fabric. And it also has a tie at the waist. This one hit me just about mid-shin, maybe even a little bit lower, but I really liked it a lot. It was honestly slightly oversized. Like, it did not feel tight at all. It felt very roomy. I picked it up in a 3X. The material is not stretchy, and I think this is another great piece for spring. Okay, the last two items I have to show you are both two-piece sets. The first one is this black skirt, very flowy black skirt, and it goes with this crop top with flowy sleeves. Okay, the tags. I need to start taking the time to cut these tags off because, oh, wowza. Okay, so it's a cropped top with really like over the top flowy sleeves. Thought this one was super cute as well. The only part of this that is stretchy is the back of the top. It has that typical like elastic material, but the rest of it is not stretchy, but it is, in my opinion, slightly oversized. If you guys are not fans of crop tops, don't you worry, because it's a two-piece set, the skirt can go as high as you want, and for being cropped, it's kind of a longer crop, so you really couldn't see my skin at all unless I did pull the skirt down. But love this one, got it in a 3X, and I thought the fit was perfect. All right, the second two-piece set, this is actually the last item of this entire haul, is a brown two-piece set, and it is so cute. I mean, I would 1000% wear this top separately from this two-piece set, but it is this brown, once again, cropped top. Very, very, very stretchy material. It does have a bit of a longer sleeve, and it has ruffles. The ruffles go up the front and all the way around the neckline, which I think is such a cute touch. And then the skirt that goes with it is more of a form-fitting skirt as well, with ruffles at the bottom. And although it is form-fitting, like I said, it is so stretchy, so freaking cute. I just love this one. Picked this setup in a 3X, and I thought the fit was perfect. So that was everything that I picked up from Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions, leave them down below, or you can ask me over on Instagram. Do keep in mind that I keep all the good stuff down below in that description box, so definitely go check that out before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.